So watermarks on your video can serve as a reminder to your viewers to subscribe to your channel. So all I would want to do in this video is teach you how to insert watermarks in your videos and adjust them according to the time they should show when the video is playing. And I know so well that doing this is one of the good ways to bring subscribers into your channel. For those who are new here, my name is Adekomla Kingsley. All I do here is to help you grow your social media accounts, precisely your YouTube channel. So kindly subscribe to this channel so we can all grow together. So I believe that the experiences I've gathered from my past channel is enough to help you grow your channel as well. So a subscriber requested for this video, that is why I'm doing it. Shout outs to her. Make sure you visit her channel, check her videos. If you are interested in her content, help her to subscribe to her channel and support her grow as well. So without saying much and doing more, let's go straight into the tutorial. So I'll teach you how to insert watermarks onto your YouTube videos. So before we move on to the tutorials on how to insert the watermark on your video, I would love to teach you how to make this watermark on PicsArt. If you don't have PicsArt, you'd have to download on Google Play Store or App Store. So you move to the watermark, you choose a solid color background. There are many of them here. I would love to go with white. So this is white. So from here, you go to stickers and you search for subscribe. You search subscribe. So you tap on one of the subscribe buttons and you zoom it out like this. You make it a little bit big so it can fill out the frame. So when you are done, all you have to do is save. So the picture has been saved to photos. So this is it. So now let's move to our YouTube studio on the web. So from the YouTube studio, all you have to do is you go to customization. So from the customization, you scroll up. You scroll up to this section where you can see video watermark. So there is a cross section, a red cross section, a section that is where the watermark supposed to appear. So you tap on upload. And all you have to do is choose the photo we edited with PixLab. We did with PixLab. So here is it. You can see that this is a perfect square, so it fits into the frame. So when you are done, just tap on done and you can see that it has appeared at the bottom right corner of the video. So this is it. You can see that it has appeared at the bottom right corner of the video. So if you would want it to show at the end of the video, you do that. If you want to customize the time it should show, you can also do that. But if you want it to show throughout the entire video, I want it to show throughout the entire video, so I just tap on the entire video, and all I'd have to do after here is just publish. Tap on publish. So this has been saved. So now let's go back into my channel and let's preview how this watermark will show on the video whilst your viewers are watching. So moving straight to my channel, let's just tap this video. So this is how the watermark looks like. You can check the bottom right corner and you will find the watermark we uploaded from our YouTube studio. So that is how it looks like. So subscribers can click or tap on that watermark and then subscribe to your channel from there without having to go into your channel before subscribing. So watermarks appear at the bottom right side of your videos, and one good thing about this watermark is that your viewers can click on that watermark and subscribe to your channel straightforward without having to visit the channel. So I would advise that all small YouTubers who are struggling to grow their channels find a way to watch this video so well and understand how to insert their watermarks. Get their watermarks done, because it's going to help you gain more subscribers onto your channel. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel for more similar content. This is the end of this section. Catch you up in the next one.